Hello everyone. I'm really thankful to all of you for yesterday's response on the video. So seeing the response, I'm going ahead with more such videos on Excel, that is tricks and techniques, so that we can save maximum of our time at branches. So now we'll be starting with basic concepts of calculating EMI. So when a customer comes to you and he asks for a loan, and when he tells you the loan amount, you know the rate of interest, but then when he asks you what would be my EMI, then the general trend is we are looking for various charts, ready-made charts. But by seeing today's video, we ourselves will be in a position within 2 to 3 minutes we'll be able to make the EMI chart, which is very basic concept, and we'll be able to tell him what would be his EMI according to his loan amount and tenure, and obviously the rate of interest and total interest which he will pay. So let us start the video on basic concepts of calculating EMI. So here, suppose you just type the entire amount as 5 lakh rupees. So straight away it comes as EMI is 8044 rupees and total interest you'll paying is 1,75,741 rupees. So how does it comes? Whoa. So we'll learning about the same within a moment. So right now what I'll be doing, I am deleting all these things. Now we have to write here first and foremost what would be the loan amount. Then we can write what is the tenure. Then comes rate of interest. Then comes what would be his EMI. Total amount he will be paying. And what it will be his total interest on the loan. So suppose the customer comes to you for a car loan and he asks you that, sir, I want a loan for 7 lakh rupees. So what we'll be doing, the principal amount will be typing here as 7 lakh rupees. Now tenure, obviously we all know that for car loan it is maximum 7 years, that is 84 months. So either you can write as 84 months or you can write as 7 years. Here I'll be going ahead with 7 years. Rate of interest, suppose it is 9% per annum. What would be the EMI? So now how to calculate the EMI? Here you can first and foremost go ahead with any formula. First and foremost you have to put an equals to sign. Once you put an equals to sign, you can go to fx function and you can see in the right hand side of your screen a pop-up comes. Here, since I have already used this formula, it is showing as PMT. If it doesn't come, then you can search here with PMT option, then it will automatically show you. Now since PMT option is already available here, we'll go to PMT option and we'll go to insert function. Now as soon as we click on insert function, this screen opens, pop-up screen opens on the right hand side. It is asking for us rate. What is the rate? So rate is 9%. We'll straight away click on this cell and here automatically it will fetch us F and 8. Okay. Now since this interest is going to be calculated on a monthly basis, so what we have to do, we have to divide it by 12. Please note that we have to divide it by 12. This is an important trick. Now NPER. What is NPER? So NPER is the total number of payments for the loan. What is the total number of payments? 7 years. Okay. Here automatically it has fetched as F6, which is 7 years. Now since in a single year we have 12 months, we'll be multiplying it by 12. Okay. Had it been already 84 months, then we would have straight away put it as F6 and we would not have been multiplied it by 12. Now third option, what is the present value? Present value is 7 lakh rupees. Now future value we will put it as 0. In my subsequent videos I will explain you why we should put it as 0. Type in a very nutshell. I'll tell you, since when the customer asks for a loan and we give him a sanction for the loan at the beginning of the the month on which the loan has been sanctioned, he is not going to repay anything, so the EMI starts immediately after the next one. So we'll be typing here as 0. As soon as we type here 0, the we can go to option done, and we can click on the done option. As soon as we click on the done, here the EMI comes, which is 11,262 rupees 35 paise. Now what would be the total amount you would be paying? This is very simple maths. We'll have, as I already said you earlier, we'll put an equals to sign before EMI into how many years? 7 years. So we'll be multiplying it by 7 years, and since in a year there are 12 months and he will be paying for 84 months, we'll be multiplying it by 12. So total amount at the end of the loan he would be paying is 9,46,037 rupees 80 paise. Now what is the total interest he will be paying? Here we have to use a small trick. Please note that to calculate the interest here, generally we do as equals to sign, we'll put as equals to sign, and then we'll go to total amount paying. Here we have not to put minus sign, here we have to put as plus, and I'll tell you subsequently why we are putting as plus sign. And then we have to put here loan amount, put enter, and straight away the total interest comes as 2,46,037 rupees 80 paise. So this is the basic concept of calculating EMI option. I hope this is useful to you and you will be using the same at the branch level. Thank you.